everyone, welcome to our English lesson today. Today we are going to learn Unit 6 in gym class, and today our lesson is about phonic time F and V. And at the end of the lesson, we are able to read the sound and so let's go. But before we start the new lesson, I would like to review you about the previous lesson. Let's review, read and write the answer. Now you look at the picture and read the question and write the answer. Are you understand? Yes. Now let's start. Number 1. Are you hungry? The answer is yes, I am. Number 2. Are you cold? No, I'm not. I'm hot. Number 3. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Number 4. Are you thirsty? No, I'm not. I'm hungry. Yeah, very good. Now let's learn letter F and letter V. F sound, V sound, V. Now let's pronounce the sound letter F all together. Listen and repeat after me all together. Feet, fish, fork, fine, fan, letter V, V. Van, vase, violin, vet, west. Yes, now let's go to do exercise all together. Listen and write check or X. You look at the picture, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Yes. With the picture number 1, number 2. If have the same sound, we write check. If different sound, we write X. Yes. Yeah, now let's start. Number 1. Fan, fish, fan, fish, fan, fish. Number 2. West, fine, west, fine, west, fine. Number 3. Volcano, wet, volcano, wet, volcano, wet. Number 4. Waste, fire, waste, fire, waste, fire. Number 5. Fox, fetter, fox, fitter, fox, fitter. Number 6. Farmer, vacuum, farmer, vacuum, farmer, vacuum. Yeah, you ready, everyone? Yes, now let's check the answer all together. Yeah, number 1, check or egg. Check, yes. Fan, fish. Yeah, it is the same sound. Number 2, egg. Yes. This picture sound V. This picture sound, yeah, it is different sound. Yes. Number 3, check. Yeah. Number 4, egg. Number 5, checks. Number 6, egg. Yes. Thank you. See you next lesson. Thanks for watching and learning. Bye bye.